If you're watching this video, then welcome. I've decided I want to make my money work harder for me, so I've decided to invest in the stock market. The only thing is, I don't know anything about it. This is video 1 in a series of videos where I'll start to document all of my profits and all of my losses as I start to understand and navigate my way through the stock market. What's the worst that could happen, eh? I'm one of the fortunate people out there where as a result of COVID-19, my work life has not been affected. In fact, it's helped me save a little bit more extra cash, which is going to be the capital I invest into the stock market. Discussing the basic fundamentals of the stock market online, I quickly understood that not a lot of people my age know how the stock market works and how they can even make easy passive income from it. That being said, this channel is here to educate. And look, I'm not the sharpest tool in the box, so we're going to cut out all of the corporate bullshit terminology and break down everything to the simplest form, keeping it raw, honest and direct. So stick with me and we're going to be covering everything from what apps to download, what stocks out there are available to the public, the multiple different ways you can invest your money, how you can potentially double and maybe even triple your money just by leaving it there invested, as well as watching all of my successes and fuck-ups, because it's always better to learn from somebody else's mistakes, eh? So if you're interested in following my journey from day one, then just give me a like and subscribe and wait for the content to arrive.